Hi, my name is Henrik Harrell. I'm also known as HH Beatz. Today I'm gonna show you a really cool sound design plugin. It's called Volume Former. You can get this plugin for free till the 9th of September. Plus I'm gonna give you a free Serum preset, so stick till the end of this video. With all that being said, now let's check this plugin in action. So here we are. This is the coreFX Volume Former. So let's check out the settings. So I'm gonna bypass it. So we got this synth I made with Serum. Now let's check what this plugin does. It is useful to make that pump effect. Basically it's a sidechain plugin. Let's switch it on. Now the trigger is set on off. So it's really cool. You can change the time here. So you can have really fun with it. And there is the triple option. And then there is the shift option. Let's check it out. It will trigger earlier if we go in negative side, and it will trigger later if we go in positive side. Cool. And then you got the option sync mode and free. Then if you want, you can do the manual trigger. You need to switch off the trigger, the automatic trigger. Every time you want, you click here and then it will trigger the audio. Yes, of course, you can also automate it. Let's check it out. Cool. Now let's move to the right side. We got the mount. Then we got three types of triggering. We got a VCA, which is control the volume. And then there is a low pass filter. And a high pass filter. And then we got the envelope section, which is selected pump now. And we can change to gate. And then the last but not the least, we can change the envelope shapes. So this is the attack, the hold, and the decay. You can also use automation here for the shapes. I'll show you. This is really cool, especially for a free plugin. This is free here till the 9th of September, so don't miss it out. Now I'm gonna show you it in action. I made 2 beats. One is future bass and one is like dark hip hop pop. So let's check them out. So here we are. This is the future bass project I made. So what I have done here, I'm gonna show you. Okay, in the first one I added some triplet. And then I played around with the time section. And then I added another instance of the volume former. This time I just used the manual trigger, and I triggered the signal every time the kick hits. So I'm gonna mute the first volume former. Without the volume former, it was sound really dull. Then I add some excitement, you know. It's really cool. With one plugin you can make really cool movements in your drops. Now let's move in the next project. Here we are in the second project. This is like dark pop, hip hop. I don't know. I'll let you judge. Let's bypass it. So it's really cool. It adds some moment in your mix. Then you can go crazy with it. You can also automate the time if you like. So that's it. This is the volume former. Hope you liked this review. Here we are to the end. Thanks for watching this video. To download the Serum preset and this plugin, click the link below this video. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. I'll reply you as soon as I can. Please consider to subscribe and leave a like if you like this content. And that's it. Thanks for watching again, and see you next time. Peace.